All right, we just had the supply and demand report. Quarterly stocks, grain stocks came out. We're just going to go straight into this, starting with cotton. Looking at the USDA's site, I'll just read from their site. In cotton, this month 2017-18 cotton forecast includes slightly lower production and ending stocks. Production is reduced 177,000 bales to a small decline in regions outside the Delta. Ending stocks are reduced 100,000 bales, while domestic mill use and exports are unchanged. So I'll tell you, they expected more reduction than that. Expected to see exports increased also about 300,000 bales. It came out less than that. So did see some slight reductions here in ending stocks, but not as much as they thought. The forecast for the marketing year average price received by producers is raised 3 cents per pound to a midpoint of 69 cents, offsetting changes in foreign production and consumption characterized the global 2017-18 cotton forecast this month. Global production is raised 1 million bales, as a 1.4 million bale increase for China is only partly offset by a small decrease in India, the United States, and Australia. Global consumption has raised 1.2 million bales, largely due to a 1 million bale increase in China. World consumption is forecast to grow at a 5.2% annual rate in 2017-18, more than double its long-run level. Projected world ending stocks, and here's what's important, are changed slightly this month, down 200,000 bales from December, but at an 87.8 million bales are still forecast marginally higher than the year before. So these numbers are not, I think, what the market expected. A little bit negative for the market. Maybe I should say a little bit. I'm looking up here. I posted March cotton just before this report was down 78. Right now it's down 227, trading at 80.52, making a new low on the day. The low is 80.30 for the day, just recently made. The high made this morning, 84.65, as many people panicked between 7 o'clock and 7:30 getting out of their short hedges in cotton. And now we're seeing the market start to erase yesterday's limit up move. All right, that's cotton. Look at grains. I'm going to start right here with U.S. production and corn. The average guess was 14.557. It came out at 14.602, so slightly raised production in corn. Soybeans production, the average guess was 4.425 million bushels. It came out slightly lower, 4.391. So that worked its way through to ending stocks. We saw the ending stocks average guess was 2.414 for corn. It came out at 2.477. So that is a little bit of a higher number for corn for carryout. That's not good for corn. The soybean number, the ending stocks there came out at 470. Average guess was 477. Pretty close, but slightly less there. I don't know that that's anything more than neutral. And quarterly stocks in grains, corn, 12.516. They thought it would be 12.407, higher than they thought for quarterly stocks in corn. In soybeans, it came out at 3.157. They thought it was going to be 3.186. Stocks lower than thought. And the reaction is about what you would think. Let's look at quarterly stocks for wheat. It came out at 1.873. They thought it was going to be 1.849, so pretty close. Now, what's the reaction? You could probably predict it. Beans were down 2 3/4 before the report. Now they're up 3 3/4. So that's been friendly. Corn was up 1/4. Now it's down 1 1/4. These numbers were a little bit of a surprise. In corn, showing bigger carryout and bigger stocks there. So the corn's reacting even as we speak. Corn's making a new low, down 1.5 pennies. Wheat. Now this market has not reacted well. Wheat before the report was up 2. Right now it's up 9 3/4. I think if it weren't for the weakness in wheat and some weakness in corn, soybeans would actually be higher than they are right now, and they are. So positive for beans, a little negative for corn, clearly negative for wheat, negative for cotton. Let's look one more time here. Let me move this over and we'll look at it one last time. March cotton down about 200 at 80.65. The low is 80.30. All made here after this report came out. December cotton was down 56 before the report. Now it's down 127. Getting hit there. The beans right now up 3 at 953. It did get to 959, so its immediate reaction was pretty strong. Then it started to fade as the wheat and corn started to fade. Wheat down a penny. Wheat right now is down 9 3/4. It was up 2 before the report. That puts it at 423 3/4. Corn 347 1/4. Very close to the low, down a penny and a half. That's it. Thanks for being with us for this Bayer quarterly grain stocks report and our monthly review, and that's also presented to you by Bayer. Have a good day. We'll talk to you after the markets close, and we'll see actually how the market reacted from this point forward to the close. Thanks.